So today we're gonna test and review the Akasis portable SSD enclosure. They sent this to me to review it and test it out, and I'm very grateful for that. This is a solid SSD enclosure. It's metal and it's very build quality is very good here. So I will show you the unboxing, and then I will also show you when I'm installing an SSD in this. So let's go to the unboxing. So let's see what's in the box. Wow, that's look very solid. Do you have something else in here? Got some instruction, of course, and you have something else, maybe for the SSD card there, and you have a USB-C to USB-C cable, so you can connect it to computer. And here you have it. It feels very solid. You can see the specs here. And then we can open it to put in an SSD card. Very solid, not plastic at all. So this is what you're getting in this box. I will of course show you guys how to put in an SSD card. I have one in order, so yeah. So as you saw in the unboxing, you get everything you need to install the SSD, and it's very simple. So I'm gonna show you when I'm installing the SSD and when I'm testing it, so you guys will see how easy it is. Okay, so let's install an SSD in this. I have my SSD here. And now we just have to open this. And here we have the inside of the USB hub. And then we're going to just prepare some screws there. And then we have the SSD. We're going to install here. I'm gonna apply this one. Put it down there, and then we're gonna have some thermal paste. Right on top. There, and then we can remove this one. There you go. Now it's on, and now we can just put the cover back on. So now the cover is back on, And now we have installed an SSD in this USB hub, and now we're going to try to connect it to the computer to see if it actually works, and we can see how fast it is when we are transferring some files. So yeah. So now I'm going to plug it in to my computer to test this thing out. You see here, there, and I can hear it running. So I'm gonna take you to my computer up here. Sorry. And let's see if we can find it. Let's go here. This one. Just turn it on and off to see. Should be able to find it. So I did manage to find it on my computer, and now I have a transfer test so you guys can see. If I just start it right now, and you can see it's very good. So it's like 20 megabytes per second, and it's around there. And you can see there is 45 seconds left, but it's a cool thing. You can put up to 8 gigabyte SSD in it. So yeah, you can switch out the SSD in it and everything. And you see here, that's the speed you are getting when you transfer some files to the SSD. So yeah, this is how this works, and hope you liked it. So I hope you enjoyed this short little review on this Akasis 40GB SSD Enclosure. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will leave a link down below so you can grab one up. Until next time, take care guys, and I'll see you on the next review.